Welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. And where am I? Could it be? Wow! I'm inside of a cozy cone. This is so cool. So we've always wanted to do this when we stayed at Art of Animation. We had the day off after Jamie's birthday, just planned as a resort and pool day. So I did actually get up pretty early, right around 9:30, got ready, and headed over here by 10 o'clock for pool opening to grab one of these cozy cones. So I claimed it, Jamie came and met me, I went and did our laundry during the day, and now I just went and picked up some food from Landscape of Flavors and refilled our drink cups. And so I'm gonna sit out here in the cozy cone while Jamie lays out. Jamie's laying out right over there, and I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my meal by the pool in the shade. This is like my favorite because I'm not a huge sun pool person, so this is almost like a private little cabana. They're free for any resort guests. You don't even have to be staying in the cars section. They're just first come, first serve. I mean, obviously it's easier to get them if you're in the cars section. I did have to kind of rush over here in the morning, and now with doing our laundry and going back and forth and stuff, I've probably walked back from the far side of the resort on the Little Mermaid section to the cars section probably about 5 round trips already just in the first 2 hours of today. So I've definitely been getting my steps in, but now it's time to relax a little bit, enjoy the pool, enjoy the food, and just have a great day. And for my food, I just went with some basic chicken tenders and fries because it's a classic like pool day meal. They actually look pretty delicious. They're always good. You really can't go wrong with chicken tenders and fries. And surprisingly, since we've been at Disney for almost a week now, I still haven't had any chicken tenders, and I think I've only had Disney fries once or twice. So I'm totally okay with it. We really have been eating a lot of stuff other than the Art of Animation food court this time, so it was kind of nice to actually get something from the food court today. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat that, and I'll let you know how it was. And I've talked about it before on the channel, but if you're new here, I'm a honey with my chicken tender type person. A lot of people think that's weird, but it's my go-to. That's what I've always done since I was a kid with chicken nuggets or tenders. I love that sweet and kind of savory combination, so honey is my go-to. So here we go. Some honey, got a tender. Nice dip. And Disney fries. So good. Absolutely perfect for a pool day. We got a big meal later tonight, so this is great for now. I'm loving the chicken tenders and fries and just being here in the cozy cone. And if you have never tried honey with your chicken, I highly recommend it. Big surprise, Jamie actually did get me in the pool, but it felt really good. The water's super cold, but it is a really hot day out, so it was nice to cool off. And I'm gonna go refill our drinks, maybe get us a couple sips from the pool bar, and then we're gonna keep relaxing. We are all finished up at the Cozy Cone pool.
It was so cool.
It was. I really liked being there. Me too. It was my best pool day too. And Jamie got herself another drink from the pool bar. It's a banana cabana, and we're headed back through the Lion King section now.
It is about to rain.
Yeah, we think it's gonna rain soon, so we're headed back towards the Little Mermaid section so we can go get ready before our dinner tonight.